Hello, this is easy. This is actually a little tip on the surface here and the light box noise. A lot of people are having problems with this thing called the bloating. I'm going to show you how to fix this. So we're going to select the light box here, noise maker. Then I'm going to select the noise 09. Shut light box down. Now I gave it a blue color. We're going to move it to white so we can kind of see. The problem is when you apply it to the mesh, you get this bloating. Well, some people used to fix this through the layer. We'll Control Z this. And what they used to do is they used to create a new layer, or sometimes they would use the morph target. I'm not going to go over the morph target. Then I'm going to repeat the process here. Noise 09. We'll shut that down, turn it to white so we can see. And we're going to apply it to mesh. Well, they would tone it down, the bloating, through the layers. Well, it was lowering the bloating down, but we're losing all our detail and our crevices. So let's Control Z this back, and so we don't have any layers. Well, when we want a lot of detail, we need a lot of geometry. So we're going to do geometry, and I'm going to boost this up, divide it, and divide it, and divide it one more time. Then I'm going to go to layers, and I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to light box and repeat the process to noise 09. We're going to go to white. Now I'm going to drop this one to canvas so we can kind of see. We're going to use this as a reference. To drop this to canvas, we're going to uncheck edit mode. Then we're going to drag out another one. Alright, the one on the right is the one in edit mode, and the one on the left is our reference. Alright, instead of applying to the mesh, which would give our bloating, we would press the mask by noise. We're going to press here and give it a second, and we got our mask. Then I'm going to go down here to the deformation here and the inflate. If we set it to the negative, now it's going to be a little slow in the video recording here. It's going to take it a few seconds. So bear with me. Then we get something like that. A lot of times I exceed more than I need. I like to go a lot more than I need here, is because I can always tone it down through the layers. Alright, so if I wanted to go a little bit more on the negative inflate, I can keep on going. I usually go a little bit more than normal because I can, like I said, I can always tone it down through the layers. But we're just going to leave this one. Let's tone it down just a little bit more. Or increase it a little bit more. I'm going to over exceed it, and it's going to be too much, and this is normally what I do. Now you can see it kind of popping out here at the bottom. If that's causing you a problem, you can always mask this area before you inflate it to the negative. But I'm not going to go ahead and do all that. Then when it's done, I'm going to clear the mask. Now if I want to tone it down, let's go ahead and bring this out here a little bit. See, with the layers, you can always tone it down, but trying to increase it is a little bit difficult. So you can always tone it down. That's why you always want to kind of exceed more than normal. So I'll bring it down just a little bit here, and I can bring it back up. And now you notice I don't have all that bloating going on. Another thing that you can do, this has UVs. You can create a displacement map, and you can almost come up with the same results as what you got here. But anyway, I think this is the end of this tutorial.